And today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find this window of X Twitter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.